Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create viral motivational reels for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, and any other social media platform. And you can get millions views by uploading this type of viral motivational video.
Nelson Mandela's last walk. As Nelson Mandela stepped out of prison after every night, she wakes up screaming. Every night her dead best friend gets closer. Lily thought. The stuck coin. A boy found a coin stuck in the ground. He pulled hard but failed.
So exactly I'm going to show you easy way how to create this type of using it's completely free for joining. So this link I will attach in my video description for access. So first I am going on DeepSeek AI, then I need to help with DeepSeek AI for generating which type of video I want to create right now. So I write here on DeepSeek, hey, I want to create travel type shorts and reels, give me some idea. Okay, you can see I found a title, 10 travel hacks that will save you time and money. You can choose any others as you like. So I select this one, then I write input here, okay, please write a, then I again click on enter. Then this DeepSeek AI create and write for it's exclusively for me. And just copy this script, first one, then again this copy this one. After copy this prompt, I am going on Ossa AI. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. When you click, you are redirected to this website. So you need to just paste on your script on here. Okay, I need to choose first on a voice over artist. This is good, but if you don't like this one, you can choose any others. Here's lots of voice over artist. Okay, this is good for me. Then choose your style. So here are lots of. So okay, I select on action film, then subtitle font, and this is a formal. Okay, this is good for me. So if you want to set advanced setting, here are available. You can video pacing, sound effect volume, and normal. Okay, this is good. Then just click on create video. Then here are the another option for write script with chat GPT. So I already have Chrome, so I don't need this one. Just click on video. Okay, this is already processing. You can see here are lots of pre-generated reels available. This is a fantastic tool for creating viral AI motivational reels, and you can create any type of reels using this platform. So I again mentions this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. It's totally free for joining. So I'm waiting few seconds for the processing my video. My video are ready for download. If I playing on.
Want to travel smarter? These 10 hacks will save you time and money. Let's go. Roll, don't fold. Use a packing cube for organization. Download offline maps. Book flights on Tuesdays.
Okay, I just click on download button. It's already going on download session. So if you don't like this one, you need to edit some option. You can type of edit video. You can editing everything and anything on here. This is super easy way. So now your video are ready for upload on Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn and any other social media platforms. So this is a method how you can create trending AI motivational video using this AI tool. So this link I will in my video description. So if you have any questions, please feel to message on my comment section. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.